Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for the headphones QCY T13. You have to start by open QCY application. Now go to sound, scroll to the left, right here, and click on customization. Now choose the best one for you. Let's say something like this. Then click Save. Name it. And click OK. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!